All right, all right. The Fed rate decision day today will be very much volatile, and most of the technical indicators and analysis will be dumped over the sea, but we will try our best to make some money. So I make a vertical line on new day so that you will not confuse. We are trading S&P 500 and no position yet. We will watching the market very closely, and let's go to lower time frames to see where market is ranging and where it is going. So like you see it on my screen, we are kind of in a ranging zone at the moment, and my current indicators is as you see it on my screen, and I will enable these lax algo signals and overlays so that we can see everything more easily if the market is just consolidating or going down, going up, etc. So let's see. We got the sell signal, we got the buy signal. Because it's a ranging market, you see that everywhere is messed up. So let's just start with drawing our ranging box so that we will have a clear outline to see what's going on in the market. Let's close all of this. So where is this swing high and swing low will make us to draw our ranging box. So let's see that this is the swing low, right? This is the lowest point, and this is the highest point of where market is reached at the moment. So we are in this range, and I call this box is a ranging box. If we trade below or above that, we will consider a position. Easy like that. No rush. Today is a volatile day. We all know that because at 2 p.m. we will have the Fed rate decision. It is very critical for the markets. We are expecting 25 base points a rate hike, but we will see that if there is any surprise or so. Hi Hazal, welcome to stream. If you guys enjoying, please hit that like button so that I will reach everyone and I will help everyone for free. We are doing these live streams on Wednesday and Friday, and don't forget to join the Discord group. I will share my trade ideas and everything there, and you can find the description to join the group. So market just opened in like 3 minutes ago. We are still in this box. Market making some fair value gaps, and we are trading below the EMA and VWAP line, and market is barely green. It is 0.1, and Dow Jones is red. Let's see the Dow Jones. It's clearly a tanking ticker at the moment, and as we all know that if the Dow Jones drops, most probably S&P will follow the action, but we will see because today is very different from the other days. And we have also some news coming. Let's see the economic calendar here. At 10 a.m. we have the non-manufacturing index, and 9:45 we have something PMI, and 10:30 crude oil, and 2 p.m. FOMC rate decision. It's like a roller coaster day. We have draw our ranging box, so we are just waiting opportunity to come to us. Not took any position yet. I want to see the book map, and I would like to show you also the book map. I'm using a funded account to trade futures. It is way better than the cash account, so I'm not risking my own funds, and I also strongly suggest you do that also. We are looking now to the book map, and there is some aggressive orders sitting on 41.45 and 41.40. So market is just kind of squeezed between those levels. There is a 5 handles point that market can decide to move, and there is a 250 contract sitting on 41.50 and 220 contracts sitting on 41.36. So what do you guys think that market will head to next? So clearly everyone has no idea, just watching to see what's going to happen. And let's see the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is more aggressive than the S&P 500. Of course, this is the lowest point and this is the highest point of the day. So we are just trading between those ranges. And also let's enable our indicators. If you guys have any questions about anything, you can just ask me. Hello Bihavesh. Yes, we are waiting for FOMC and it will be announced at 2 p.m. New York time. Let's switch back to TradingView and let's see the charts together. We are in this range, so it's like let me see, from 41.39 up until 41.49. So it's like a 10 handles market trading between those levels, 41.39 and 41.49. So the best indicator for now is this Lax Algos Premium. It's paid, I know, but there's a 30% off coupon in my description. So you would like to see my indicators, here is all of them. And these are my two main indicators, Lax Algo price action concepts and signals and overlays. For the fair value gap, I use this indicator from Nephew Sam, and I like to see the Sunday open, and I have this EMA length 20, and I have this VWAP, this white line, very good indicator. And you can also activate the pivots, but for the today I don't think that we need. I'm using ranging box. This is a manual indicator and I always draw this to see where market can go. So you can think this box as a consolidation area, the where market is consolidating at the moment. So now we are consolidation in this 10 handles area. Market is just stuck in this box. So I am expecting and I am waiting for opportunity. If we break above this box, we will consider long position. If we break down this box, I will consider a short position. It is very easy to use and you need to control your position size and you need to control your emotions after you enter a position. And today that is what we are going to do in this live stream. This is why I'm doing these live streams. Please do not copy my trades. I didn't take any trades yet, but if we see some opportunity, we will jump onto that trade. So let's switch back to higher time frames and I want to show you something. This is from the Monday session, and if you guys have joined my Discord, you will remember that we have drawn this fair value gap. This was a huge gap, but yesterday market filled that gap up until down here. So there is a place to be filled. I don't know if it is filled today or not, but we will see that. But the lesson here is market will always come for these gaps because market always likes to fill those beautiful gaps. So this is a daily chart. Let's close this pivot thing. It's messing whole chart, and let's remove the drawings. What do you guys see here? We were in uptrend, right? It started from that point and it right until the 4,200 levels. And as you all guys know that this 4,200 level is a cursed level. When the market hits that, it's like a blood pit. So let me answer the questions. Not a clear display. What do you mean by that? Just let me know what you want to see. I will show you that. Sir, what about the gold? So gold, and the gold is a safe haven. So if everything goes down, gold most probably will go up. This is how it works. So now market is so much volatile, and VIX yesterday was up like a 30% or 25% something. So if the VIX is up, the most probably, most of the time, gold will go up. So this is how market works. If there is no fear, gold will go down. So, and gold actually is a very volatile instrument. I don't trade because it's not for me. I don't like to touch that at all. So as you guys can see that since like this time to May, market is consolidating, and we are on the 3rd May. Not so much significant move. We make this dip yesterday 41.05, and market just dipped, and from 4,200 levels. This is a huge range, right? So let's go back to the 3-minute time frame. We are watching very closely to take any action anytime. Let's enable our drawings. So we are watching this ranging box. We just drove that. Why? Because if the price make its moves, we will follow that. We will always follow the trend. We will not fight with the trend. Can you please say settings whole suite by in silico to 5-minute time frame crypto? Good question actually. Now I can't remember what was the settings that I'm using, but I'm 100% sure that there is a video just about the whole suite indicator, and you can find the settings there, but just let me quickly check it. And those settings are really depends on the ticker that you are trading, because some of them is very volatile, some of them is not so much volatile. 55. I guess it's like a 28 or something, but please double check from my videos. This whole suite indicator is very nice, but I strongly suggest you use with the confirmation indicator like Donchian Trend Ribbon. You can use it. This is my favorite. And QQE mode, you can use it. Or you can add the new indicator, something like a super trend. You can, double confirm it before you enter any position. And make sure that 5-minute time frame is suitable for your strategy, because 5-minute is kinda aggressive time frame for any indicator. So be careful, and do not forget that only trade on market opening hours to get best performance from the indicators. Don't have 5-minute, only 1-minute C. Okay. So what you can do is here, and you can go and test it with 1-minute settings in that indicator. If it is not working, please go and try to increase that length number. Okay. So like I said, you can just go and test it with, you can play around, you can see, because if I say you now 35, maybe I will use it for Tesla, maybe I will use it for Microsoft, So you know the difference between those stocks is one of them is very volatile, one of them is less volatile than the other. So the settings are really depend on the ticker that you are trading. If you tell me what the crypto you are trading, I can suggest you something, but if you say me crypto, I will mislead you and I don't want that. So if you give me more details, I will give you more clear answers. Market is just trading above the EMA and VWAP line, and we are looking on 3-minute time frame. Market just opened 15 minutes ago and we are rolling the moves here. No position yet, no profit yet, and this week we have made $1,500 nearly on our Discord channel. It was banger, guys. Bitcoin USD futures. Okay, what can I suggest you is, besides of full suite, why don't you consider something like super trend? It will be way more better to use it, in my opinion. And you can combine with something like Donchan trend ribbon, like I said, and I don't know, the super trend will be a perfect fit for you, especially for the Bitcoin. And of course you can use it for Ethereum also, and you can use also Lux Algo signals and overlays, because it will, if you enable the autopilot setting, it will auto configure for you and it will give you those signals. Let's see Bitcoin and USD. Oh my god, there are a lot of fair value gaps. So you got the sell signal on 3-minute time frame here, and this is a lot of money, right? And especially if you are using leverage, this move is just about money. And if you go to higher time frames on any indicator, your win rate will increase. Easy like that. So you got the buy signal here, and also there is a 3 confirmation indicator that I use in this indicator. So let me just quickly show you. I don't only rely on this signal. I use Smart Trail, Trend Catcher, Trend Tracer. If all of those 3 indicators plus the signal indicator gave me a buy, I will follow that. Even the one of them is not giving me, I will pass that. So opportunity will always there. You need to just wait. If you want to become a successful trader, what you need to do is wait patiently. 90% of trading is all about waiting, not trading. Sir, how you trade? I trade purely price action. And of course I take a help from the indicators, from my favorite indicators. We let us that I use Hootsuite, Donchan and LSMA. Okay, that's a perfect combination. I couldn't remember what is LSMA. Okay, it's something like a moving average. Perfect. This is very nice. You can just put, let's say, like 200 moving average you can trade. So if the price goes above the 200 EMA and if you got the buy signal, if the Donchan confirms you, you can take your long position, and there is a high percentage that you will make money from that trade. Just you need to know where to put your stop loss and where you need to take your profit. Green is always good. Do not forget to take your partials. Very important. If we got in any trade, you will see that how I trade. Let's say that if we enter any position, I will open 10 micro contracts and price just, pushing the ranging box here. So if I enter a position with 10 micro contracts, I set my partials and I started to take my profit because green is always green. Then I move my stop loss to where I enter the trade, which is called break even. So it will become a free trade. And you can also set the trail stop. It's very nice feature, and I'm sure that all the brokers has that option now. You see that ranging box is pushing, and now we are started to look for long opportunity. We will just scalp today. I am not aiming for 10 or 15 or 20 handles until the Fed rate decision. We will just take a little by little money and we will good. Tight stop loss is very important. So if I enter a trade here, I will put my stop loss to the swing level somewhere like here. Looking for a long opportunity here. Aimed and locked. Break of structure is happening. And there is a fair value gap. Let's start with some minimal position here. Shall we?
Order filled.
5 micro contracts, tight stop loss. I just enter and long the S&P 500 here, and my stop loss will be here. Let me see the swing low. 41.45 will be a perfect stop loss. And take profit. Let me see it on higher time frames. You see the price just rocketed after we just entered. Let's start to take some partials here.
Order filled.
Perfect. 3 handles.
Order filled.
Price pushing. Left with 3 position. Move my stop loss to the break even. 4 handles.
Order filled.
1 more go. We are making money here live. After we enter position, we making money. We printing the money. Okay, fair value gap. This very nice. That's what we want to see.
Order filled.
Left with 1 contract. I don't know if you see that. Let me open.
Order cancelled.
So let's see how much we make. $775 pure profit just from this trade, and you watch me trading live. It was perfect trade. What was the strategy that I used? I drove this ranging box and we drove it together. It was so easy. Even the 5-year-old kid can draw this. We waited until the price break this ranging box, then boom, we entered the trade. $775 profit. Okay, let me just answer your questions. Sir, how I have answered that. You use risk to reward 1 to 3, but need to know the settings. Will see it 5-minute time frame. Vortex indicator disadvantage. I don't know the vortex indicator, but we can check out now. Where is that Discord server link? I think you asked. It's in the description. When you join my membership on YouTube, you need to become a gold member. It's something like a $5 or so. If you become a member, you will receive the Discord link, and there is a perfect campaign going on. For the first 100%, I will gift from myself 100 founder roles. So it keeps going. Vortex indicator. So you can find the description link in the description. Kerem, my friend. Okay, very nice day. $775 profit. And let me see the vortex indicator. What is it? Is it this one? This is a default indicator from the TradingView. I have never used that. Disadvantage. What was the question here? I actually didn't get what you mean by that. Can you please be more specific what you're trying to ask here? It's a 14 length. Let me make it like 30 and let's see what's going on. I need to check that out, so I need to search what is it. Market found the support here. It's a perfect place to enter a long again, but since there is a news, we have already made money from that move, so I'm not interested to trade again. Leading or lagging? There can be a lag in my stream. So I'm closing this vortex indicator, but seems something interesting, but definitely we'll check that out. If you guys see something that when I entered this trade I didn't use any indicator, I only used my eyes and this ranging box that I draw manually, and it's so easy. Let's go over again together how this ranging box can be drawn. Before the market opens, you will find the highest and lowest point where the market is ranging. So this is not count as a ranging box. You see this going up, going down, going up, going down. The most boring place in the trading day is a ranging box. When you see the price is breaking up or breaking down, there is where you will enter a trade. Easy like that. Vlad, your question is in my mind the 5-minute time frame. You're asking for a setting. I know. Let's see together. Okay, I will answer your question now. You need a setting for Hullsuit and for a 5-minute time frame, and you are using Don't Chant Trend Ribbon. Gosh, I love so much this indicator. And let's turn off this. No need. Okay, so the current setting is 55. So let's see, it's kinda becoming late than the Don't Chant Trend Ribbon, or Don't Chant Trend Ribbon is early. That is the question. I guess like Don't Chant Trend Ribbon is too early to give signals now, since it's a 5-minute time frame. But the good thing is Hullsuit is more slow, so you will not take false signals. Let me see the current settings. Actually, we got the buy signal here on 5 minutes, and we ride it, sell when the Hullsuit returns to red. This is actually a good trade, and this is a false trade. We didn't take any position, and here we didn't take any position since it's not confirming, and here it's confirming, here it's not confirming. We missed this. This was actually, it's not so good move. Okay, this is actually the current default setting. It's funny, but it seems like a current settings is not so bad. Let's just play around. Let's do it together. 55 now is let's make something like 25, shall we? Yeah, I know it's for 1 minute. I remember the video. So 25 is very fast. Not good. Let's switch it to 35. Seems legit to me. Let me see. This is how I found the perfect settings, by the way. 35 is not bad. I think the sweet spot will be something like 45. Yes. I think you can use between 45 and 48, depending on day and trading hour actually. I strongly suggest you trade when the volume is up and when the market opens, even the London session or the New York session you can prefer. But the Asian session is so much complicated to me. It can be a manipulation, we can see. So I don't want you to lose money. But the 45 length seems like a legit to me on 5 minute. But you see that Bitcoin is so much in a ranging zone. Remember how I draw my ranging box in S&P 500. So you can follow the same rules here and you will make nice amount of money, trust me. So I don't know, it's like 45 is good. EMA or HEMA? I think you can use the exponential moving average by itself. So we are trading in just above our ranging box, which gives me an idea of bullishness, which is good. What's the question? I'm from Australia. Hello, welcome to the stream. Want to connect a broker with a TradingView? What do you recommend, and what do you recommend trading for a beginner? Good question. Welcome to the session again. So I'm using the Apex traderfunding.com, and you can find the link in my description. I am using the prop accounts, which means that if you are especially beginner, I don't suggest you use your own funds. So there are packages like a $50,000, $100,000. I personally use $50,000 and $150,000 packages, and there is a rule that if you lost $2,500 on $50,000 package, you will lose your evaluation process. But if you make $3,000, after that all the money will be yours. So if you are a beginner, if you are just getting started, do not use your own money. Go and use these prop accounts. It's like a $50 or something, and there is a 50% discount code you can find in my description. And the strategy, by the way, you can trade from the TradingView if you buy Trade08 account. It will very nice. And if you are a beginner, you can watch my past live streams, and you can watch this live stream because we made $775 pure profit. And also you can consider joining our Discord group, and it's a $5 per month. It's $5 or something, and you can ask your questions that you want to know. And Vlad, I strongly suggest you use EMA. 200 EMA actually can be a good for you, but if you want to be a more aggressive side, you can use it 50 EMA. I will remove the whole suite and trend ribbon and enable this price action. We entered trade here and we sold here. We were so good. Perfect trade. I trade 5 contracts. I'm trading S&P 500 futures because I love futures. I hate options because there is so much. It's so much complicated to me. Theta, gamma. I have traded options, but it's like a market always win in options. If you trade 0DT, it's another risk. If you trade leap options, it's another risk. But the futures, sweet spot. I trade and I close. Sorry. So let's see the chart and let's make some commentary. Market just opened 35 minutes ago and we have made $775 profit. This is the lowest point of the day, 41.38, and this is the highest point of the day, 41.54. So why we took this trade? Because price just break the ranging box and we took a long position. Now we just wait for another opportunity. Market goes below into ranging box. We don't like that as a trader now. And today there will be a FOMC news on 2 p.m. on New York time. Be very careful. Do not use full position size. Please decrease your sizes. Risk management is very important today. And what can I say? And there is a news coming in 10. Let's see how was it. It came as like expected. There's a crude oil inventories, so I don't care because I don't trade the crude oil. Shall we take a look at the book map? And if you guys enjoying my live stream, please hit that like button. I am doing this for free. So we have this aggressive sell stop order at 41.50, and we have some couple orders at 41.40. Again 10 handles. They are playing with us. There is a 10 handles move and they will squeeze the market. It's now on an autopilot. I don't expect so much move before the FOMC rate decision. Let's take a look at the tradings, shall we? And puts or calls are down. It's minus 5 million, minus 2 million. Not so much going on here. Not so much significance. Look at the 0 DTE gags. Minus 50 million on 411. Something very significant. Let's switch back to the TradingView. Now price just come back below to the ranging box, and it's ranging. Did you have live stream to crypto? No, Vilat. I am sorry that I don't trade crypto. When I trade crypto, I feel like my anxiety will rise, because it feels like I'm getting manipulated from the nerds, right? But in the future market, especially in S&P 500, I feel like I am in my home. This is very important. Biavesh, my wallpaper, yes, it's nice. Do you guys have any question while we're watching the ranging market? Market just filled this fair value gap here and found a support there somehow. And we are trading between EMA and VWAP line. It's fun to watch. Not so much going on, eh? But this was very nice trade. I am so happy that we are doing this on live streams, so that everyone can watch for free and you can learn for free. You don't need to pay. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq. This move is from the yesterday. Yes, this was a crazy move. Market just flushed all the retail traders here. Look at this gap. What I just said in the beginning of the live stream. Market will always fill those gaps. tomorrow or today, but it will fill that gap. Look, this gap from the yesterday, and now we are filling that gap. There's a question from the Busta. Yes, there's a monthly fees, but it's something very small. If you put your own $5,000, what's the point? Because if you lose money, I hope you not, but you will lose your own money. Let's see that. If you just buy a 50K account, you will pay $167, but you have a 50% off coupon, so you will pay something like $70. So it's a risk reward situation. You can decide yourself, but if you are just a beginner and if you trust yourself, you can go and buy this. Try yourself first before you put your live money, because this $5,000 you earned and you worked for it. So the market is crazy. You can lose all of your money in one day, and I don't want to see that happening to you. There is a chance. So the trading threshold is $2,500. This means that maximum loss that you can make, and profit goal is $3,000. If you successfully did that, after this evaluation period, all the money that you're making is yours. It's good. $70 per month. I don't know, you can decide. But if I just start thinking now, I will 100% choose that. I don't know if you're trading Forex or futures market. Yeah, you will get paid from that prop firm, and they are using deal.com and working so smooth. You can check the reviews that Apex Trader Funding is paying twice a month. You can request your payment and they will just pay you like that. So I am using also by myself. That's why I recommend and share my affiliation link. If you see some success in that prop account, although you will make money there, if you again want to put your own money, you can put it. But I don't see a logic there, but decision is yours, my friend. Your strategy, please explain again. My strategy is, today's strategy was ranging bucks. Okay, I will explain again for those all newcomers. Before I start my day, I set my time frame to 5 minutes to 3 minutes, and I see where the market is ranging, where the market is most boring part. So this is right, this is the most boring part. So I choose the highest point and lowest point, and I drove this box. If I see after the market opens, price goes above that, I will take a long position. If I see the breakdown, I will take a short position. You got it? Easy. I'm making so much money with this simple strategy. And also, of course, I am using this Lax Algos indicator and price action. Why? Because it shows me these levels. I really like to see that, this break of structure thing, this auto trend lines, because when you trade, and although it's a 1 minute, everything happens so fast. You want to, see something auto draw things. It will be nice, because sometimes you will miss those important things. Busta, I think you got your answer. I wish you a very success in your trading career. Do not rush yourself. First rule of trading: waiting patiently. I don't know if you catch the start of the live stream while we take this position. We have waited so much comfortably because we know that this opportunity will come to us. Maybe now, maybe 5 minutes later, maybe 1 hour later. But it will come to us. No need to rush. Even one trade per day is enough. You see, we make like $775. Perfect money, isn't it? and I don't use my own money. I am using this prop firms funded accounts. Perfect. What a wonderful world. While I started trading, there was no such a thing like a prop firms. You need to put your own money, and if you wanna win big, I have blown a lot of accounts when I just started like 10 years ago. You need to use high leverage, right? Sweet money, and high leverage will kill you. Kerem, sir, I am really beginner, have not invested in foreign stocks before. I participate in some funds and initial public offerings in my country, but your videos are awesome. Thanks to you, I become interested in foreign stocks now. I'm so happy to hear that. If you're just starting and if you are a day trader, I strongly suggest you start with S&P 500, not Nasdaq, because Nasdaq is like a small kid of the family. It's, moving so fast. You cannot control, but the S&P 500 is perfect spot, sweet spot. Dow Jones is so slow, Nasdaq is so fast, but S&P perfect. And if you want to be a swing trader, I suggest you all just trade blue chips. Blue chips means Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and maybe Tesla, but it's again the smallest kid of the family, moves so fast, so much volatile. Do not jump into options ever. So much risk for beginners. But I am so glad that you enjoyed my videos. And also, if you enjoyed this live session, please hit that like button, because I really like to see those likes after I finished my stream. It motivates me a lot. I say myself, I need to do this every day. If you don't have a prop firm, what's the next thing where you don't pay monthly fees and start with $1,000? Okay, good question. You are from Australia? Yes. So for that question, I use two brokers. One of them is Interactive Brokers and the other is Thinkorswim. And I don't know, is TD Ameritrade available in your country, but Interactive Brokers, I know that it's available in your country, and it's very nice broker, and the withdrawals and deposits are ridiculously fast. It's like this in a matter of time. Interactive Brokers, the broker that I can suggest you can use it, but the minimum deposit maybe can be $3,000, but maybe they change it. But in TD Ameritrade there is no minimum deposit. I am sure about that. Please check both of them, TD Ameritrade and Interactive Brokers. Krishna, hi brother. I am perfect. How are you? Welcome to session. So nice to see you here again. S&P in our ranging box. We are waiting. You see that it's trading in VWAP line and EMA is here. Nothing to do now. All you need to do is wait. You can't catch this move. It's impossible. But you can catch this move if you follow my ranging box strategy. It's so easy strategy. Even the 5-year-old kid can understand, right? So any other question, guys? Hit that like button while we wait. I feel like there is a less like now. Please flash that thumbs up button for me. Let's look at the dollar index. Dollar is dropping. What's that mean? Market will go up, right? Oh, you lost $1,200. I'm very sorry for you. What did you trade? Thank you, Busta. You are also a good man. You can always come and ask your questions. So what does it mean? If the dollar index drops, indices will go up, right? Then like 80% of the time it's worked like that. So the market is just waiting, of course, the FOMC decision. it's now like in autopilot. Market just keep repeating itself, you see. Always before you start your trading day, look at the bigger picture. And you will be shocked to see what's going on here. You will understand the supplies and demand zone, the resistance, the support line, you will see. Because if you look at on a bigger picture, you will understand better price action. More data will make you a better trader. You traded gold. Wow. My friend, gold is madness. If I was you, I have never traded gold. It's so much crazy. Let me see. It's like a real casino. I should admit it. You can never, make a right decision about the gold. Look at these moves. Okay, this is maybe because yesterday market dropped, gold rise. But there are so much random move going in gold. Busta, you are always welcome. Oh, it's in a perfect trend zone. Ah. There's a high chance that gold will test this area, but since I am assuming that you are using leverage, it will be risky for you to take trade at this point. If I was you, I will not take any trade in this zone, because you see here that as we are in this trend zone, yes, but we are also in this ranging box. Let's just make a fine tune here. So what I can suggest you is I will wait until gold break this ranging box. If you follow my streams, I know that you are following my streams. This ranging box strategy is working so well. So you can make a fine tune yourself. I think this better. Not this, but this. Cool. So before I take any position, I will wait until the gold break this up or down. So the EMA that I use is 20 EMA line. My length is 20. Since I am a day trader, I like to use 20 EMA. My risk management strategy. Very good question. Very, very good question. My risk management starts with position sizing, my friend. What I mean by that, so I don't risk my account more than I can afford. So let's say that I have $50,000 on my account now, and I took most of the time 5 contracts. I will not go above that, because if I go above that, my hands will start shaking. So my risk management starts with position sizing. After that, I always try to use my risk reward ratio to afford my losses. I look for a perfect setup, I wait patiently, and I don't rush myself to take any trade. So my risk management depends on the position. Let's see here. So we entered this trade and we put our stop loss here and we take profit here. So it's something like, let's see, risk reward ratio, and this was the swing low, right, as I remember. So 1.6 risk, no, sorry, 2.25 risk reward ratio. It's cool. This is how you need to trade. Set your stop loss tight and take your profit green. Is gold spot and gold good for beginners too? No. Gold is not good for beginners. No. Start with S&P 500, my friend. Do not touch the gold. So much craziness going on in gold. After the breakup from this ranging box, price just come back into it and trading in between this zone. So this is our equilibrium point, which means that the price between premium and discount. Discount is lowest point of the day, premium is highest point of the day. So today was a very nice session. It was so much fun, and I am assuming that you have also enjoyed my live stream. We made $775, and it was, I must admit, perfect trade. So thank you guys for joining today's live session. I will keep you updated on Discord since we have a FOMC rate decision at 2 p.m. New York time. We will keep talking there, and for now there is not so much going on. And thank you for coming, and